Hello guys, welcome to WordPress and this video creating for the introducing nodes seamless block level collaboration where user can attach the node directly to the block and in the post editor your team can stay align track changes and the turn feedback into action all in one place. So go to the page, edit the page and I'm as a reviewer so for example I need to change something like the playground three dot, then I can put a note something like control Z and see here the three dot option. See there the eight notes. So click here and then you can put can be update text here this edit notes. So it will like the notes. So you can see the here that if someone clicked there, it will show the top. If you need to check the like for example, I need to remove this. Just put here the edit notes and we remove this text please. So this is the very good features and you can mark edit it if you are so you can mark like if for example edit here if you are like this and then mark completed. So this task will be completed. This also like this very good features for the WordPress 6.0.9. So you can look this functionality and it's very helpful for you and your client side feedback in one place, manage everything without any third party tools. So it's very good things in 6.9. Thank you.